So right now guys, we'll go ahead and try it on my iPhone 12 Pro here. Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002 here. In today's video guys, I'm actually unboxing and showing you guys a aftermarket / third-party MagSafe charger, not by Apple. Here's his box. It says guys, magnet wireless charger, okay, with a picture of the actual item itself with the USB-C cable at the end of it. Alright, here we got USB-C. On the back of it has the actual charger hooked up, and it shows you here it goes to USB-C cable and then to the USB-C power adapter. Alright, says down here magnet wireless charger, model number guys OJD-63, input 5 volts /3A, 9 volts /2.2A, power 5 watt /7.5 watt /10 watt /15 watts. So I guess it goes to whatever you want to hook up to. Okay, package list, magnet wireless charger ×1, user manual ×1, and then all the regulatory icons here saying do not throw in the garbage, made in China obviously. Alright, the side here it says aluminum alloy, not ABS. The other side says here suitable for devices that support wireless charging, meaning guys that it supports any Q compatible charging device. Alright, the bottom's got nothing, top's got nothing. So let's go ahead now and unbox it for you guys. There's the top. That's what's inside of it so far. Let's open it up. Okay, we've got the actual MagSafe charger. And inside some manuals. Basically just saying what it is again, and then package list and tips. And the back is in Chinese, front's in English. Okay, put it off to the side. This is the actual MagSafe charger. It's got the cable here. Okay, the cable is of course USB-C. It really is USB-C for real. They didn't just mention it in the box. It actually is USB-C. Okay. And the back of the charger is nice aluminum alloy, silver color. Let's go and take out the box. And there it is. Right off the bat, you notice that the actual aluminum alloy bezel going around it is actually very, very skinny, whereas the actual official Apple product, this part is very, very fat. So therefore, you can tell right off the bat that's not a real Apple MagSafe charger. You can tell instantly that it's a fake third-party one. There's no writing in the back of it, no Apple logo, nothing. And you see here the cable coming out of it. Okay, there's no LED lights, nothing basically guys, just a regular device. And here's the cable. The cable is basically like the regular Apple one, not too long and not too short. So we'll go ahead now guys and open it up for you. And there it is. I'm seeing it here. It's about the same size guys as Apple's, about a meter's length long, not too long. You might need a extension cord of this in order to make it more longer for you if you're sitting far away from the plug, the outlet. And also notice that inside here guys, there's a red light here and a blue light here. I think when you hook up your device, whether it be AirPods, an iPhone, whatever else kind of phone you have, the red light turns on, meaning that it's connected and it's charging. I guess the blue light will only come on when the device recognizes that it's fully charged. So right now guys, we'll go ahead and try it on my iPhone 12 Pro here, the non-max version, just a regular size iPhone 12 Pro, 6.1 inch. And see, it goes right on. And the hole's not too bad. But the strength of it, see? It's not so strong, comes off easily. So if this is really on your table and somebody kicked your cable walking by your table, it will just come off instantly. It wouldn't hold on so tight. So be very careful guys. It's not the original strength as the original one is. Definitely much more weaker. But it does go on magnetically, you see? Yeah, it goes on. Magnetically it holds. But if you were to let go of your device, it just comes off. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and plug it in. I've already plugged it in beforehand. And it does not have that icon, that circular icon that comes on the screen when you plug it in. It doesn't have that. So that's another way you can tell that it's a non-Apple product. So here's the extension cord guys. I'm going to plug it in now to it. There you go guys, so it's charging, but there's no circular image coming up on the screen showing that it's the actual Apple MagSafe charger. It's just nothing, just blank. but it does show charging, at least. And it does take a couple of seconds for it to actually acknowledge it's actually charging. So it's pretty fast to acknowledge the fact that it's charging. Okay, charge times with it. Well, I've tried this device for a couple of days and I was not too impressed with the charging time. It seemed to actually charge it quite slowly, but however, not too slowly, a tad bit slowly. Yeah, so it's not really ideal for the ones who actually need fast charging. It's mostly for the ones who just want to mimic MagSafe charging, but don't really care too much about the charging speeds. Alright. The white material here scratches quite easily. It did come with a plastic wrap cover around it. I've taken it off. The first day I got it was a couple days ago, and ever since I took it off, you sort of see some scratches on here. Basically like swirl mark scratches you will see on here. They're quite visible right now in person, but not really visible in camera. The back alloy though is 100% scratch free. I had this in so many pockets and so many things. I did notice, however, there's a small nick on here. So it does chip the paint and nick on you, but it won't really scratch on you so much, no. Alright guys, there you have it. I'm gonna go now, jump in the car and head on over to my local Apple store, and I'm going to actually take it inside the store, this wireless charger, and put it next to the actual real Apple MagSafe charger and compare the two. So without further ado, on to the video guys.
A few moments later.
So now I'm at Fairview Mall here. I'm heading over to the Apple store to check out and compare my third-party MagSafe charger against Apple's first-party MagSafe charger. So guys, here we go. Wow guys, these are nice swinging doors. Here's a sign, walk-in visitors. I got my reservation afterwards. Okay, now I'm back a little while after. Now it's saying reservation and appointment check-in, which is correct. It's my time to go in. It's a lot more bigger. The back is the same, almost. You see there. So USB-C here as well. It's a lot more bigger to flip. And there you go, put it on top of here. Bit bigger.
Yeah, it's like a hockey puck.
Yeah. And that was it. That was my visit today, guys. So this then effectively ends the video. Please guys, show me a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Introducing MagSafe for iPhone.